Welcome to Bakes by Dawn. I wanted to take a moment to let you in on why I started this channel. When I was 16, I became a vegetarian. Then sometime in my 20s, I started to gravitate towards veganism. At the risk of aging myself, when I first stopped eating meat, there were very few substitutions available. I mean, I remember when a veggie burger at McDonald's was a sad bun with cheese, pickles, lettuce, and tomato, and I was happy to have it. Soy milk and margarine were pretty much the only dairy alternatives, and seitan, that's wheat gluten protein if you don't know, that was gaining popularity, but still pretty hard to come by. So you can imagine how hard it was finding a vegan baked good. Fortunately, as the years went on, veganism flourished. And with so many people ditching milk for oat milk and making butter out of cashews, there are so many vegan options in restaurants and grocery stores. Great, right? Well, yes, for many vegans, but in my late 20s, I started to realize that I had an intolerance for gluten. Full disclosure, I was never medically diagnosed, but when I compared periods of omitting gluten products to those where I indulged in the deliciousness that is gluten, I had to face facts. I was way better off without gluten. Another hard fact that I had to face was that although the accessibility of vegan foods was increasing, most would not be gluten-free. So there I was, delicious vegan baked goods all around me, just taunting me. It's like, really? But what helped me was my natural inclination towards baking. I've always enjoyed baking and creating desserts, even before going vegetarian. So challenge accepted. At first, I would just swap out regular flour for gluten-free flour, but I quickly learned that does not cut it. It's like cardboard. As time went on, I began to really dive into what makes a quality gluten-free baked good. I found that it's not just omitting the gluten, it's ensuring that the texture is right, it's making sure that the bake rises, it's balancing great flavor with wholesome ingredients so that not only someone who happens to be both vegan and gluten-free like me will appreciate it, but that anyone, no matter what their diet is, will enjoy it. I'm so appreciative that you're joining me on this journey to share what I've learned along the way. I hope to create a community of baked good enthusiasts to learn from as well. Please subscribe and leave a comment letting me know if you're vegan, gluten-free, you just love baking, or all of the above. Thanks for watching. Now, let's get baking.